Hey guys, and welcome back to this channel. In this video, I'll be showing you guys how you can make a laggy video on Capcut. This one is super simple. Actually, you are just going to select effects, then go to video effects, then you are going to go to retro, and you are going to add this doodle diary one, and you are going to select adjust. You're going to select the texture and slide it to 0, and also the stickers and the filter, and you're just going to adjust the speed to like around 80-ish. So just adjust it to your liking, maybe like a 93. I think that's a little bit too fast, so I would go like around 80-ish. And once you're done, you're just going to press the check mark button and adjust it till the end of the video. And there you have your kind of like laggy video edit on Capcut. Super simple, but I hope this tutorial was helpful for you guys. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and also subscribe to this channel if you haven't done that already. If you have any questions, just leave it in the comment section down below, and I'll try my best to answer them all for you guys. And if you found this video helpful, please click the thanks button above the description box down below. Thank you so much for watching. Bye!